to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you how I pack my makeup for my Netherlands trip. As some of you guys maybe know, I will visit my family in the Netherlands and I thought it was a nice idea to share with you how I pack my makeup. If you're new here on my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It's totally free and then you can see all my new videos. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram, and now let's get started. So I got 3 bags that I take with me. I got this bag, it's from Riverdale and there's writing on "You're looking beautiful today." And I think it's a really cute and handy big bag. Then I got a small one. This one is from the Primark and it's from the Sleeping Beauty. And I think I take this one on the plane in my hand luggage. And the last bag is from Pandora and it's a Disney Pandora bag. And I'm not really sure what I will put in here. I think maybe I put my brushes in here. It's a nice size, or maybe this one I take in my hand luggage, I'm not sure yet. Yeah, let's look. Okay, so I put already my brushes here, so I will look which one I take with me. And here is my makeup. You can see it really good like this, but I will just choose the products that I want to take with me. Okay, let's start with the base, and I just have one primer at the moment, so I take that one with me. And it's the Flormar Illuminating Primer Base. Wait, I will put the bags right here, then you can see it a little bit better. Like this. Also, some of you guys said that you would like to see a makeup collection or makeup vanity. I would love to do that, but it's not really ready yet. I still have some bags that I put my makeup in, which I'm not really still happy about. So when I got better storage, I will of course upload that also for you guys. So I think I'm taking this foundation with me, and it's the Flormar Anti-Blemish Foundation, and I think it's almost finished. So maybe I will buy another one in the Netherlands. But yeah, for now I'm taking this foundation. Then for concealer, let's see. So for concealer I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me. This is for blemishes if I have spots. This is the same color as my skin. So I'm taking this for spots. And I'm taking the Maybelline Anti-Age Erase Concealer for underneath my eyes. Then for powder I have 2 options. Then for powder I'm taking with me the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Then for bronzer I take 2 with me. I'm taking the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the color 26. And I'm taking the Max&More Shimmer Brick. I think these 2 are really compact and I don't have to take another blush or something with me. Just these 2, it's enough. And then for highlighter I also want to take just 1, although I really like these 2. But yeah, let's go for the Mary Luminizer from the Balm. I mean, this color is always really nice, so I'm taking this one with me. I think we're done now with the face. I mean, we have the base products. Now let's go to the eyes. And then I also again only want to take 1 palette with me. And I think I'm gonna go for the Urban Decay Naked 3, because in this palette I have again a lot of different options, a lot of different shades, so I'm taking this one with me. Then for mascara, I know it's not a surprise, but I'm taking my Essence I Heart Crazy Volume Mascara. For brow product I again want something fast and lightweight, so I'm looking for my all-time favorite brow pencil, and this is the Golden Rose Brow Pencil, which is almost finished, so that's good. I don't have to take a big one with me. Okay, so we have, let's see, eyeshadow, eyebrow, mascara, oh, of course some eyeliner. And for that I take the Essence one, which I always use. Of course we also need a pencil sharpener, so that's gonna go on here. And then let's see, and of course I don't have to forget my MAC Fix Plus, so that one is also going with me. Yes. Okay, so I just put all my things right here. I think with the makeup we are practically done. Of course, some lip products. So because I go to the Netherlands and to Disney, I just want to bring one natural lip shade and one red one for in Disney. So I'm bringing my NYX buttergloss in the color Eclair, which I practically always use. And then for red shade I have two options. I have another NYX buttergloss or a matte one. Let's just take the three of them. So I think I put my makeup in the big one. So okay, we have the foundation, the Fix Plus and the primer. Then the concealers. Then powder, bronzer and highlighter. Then we are going to the eyes. And of course my eyeshadow palette, my eyebrow pencil, my mascara, my eyeliner. And then of course the lip products. Then for the brushes I am taking of course a beauty blender. I will clean them today because I want to bring clean brushes. But I think I will put them here in my Disney Pandora bag, which I think is really cute and nice for my brushes. So of course I'm taking my beauty blender with me. I'm taking my Real Techniques Face Expert brush with me. My powder brush. The white ones are from Makeupstudio. This is the brush I apply my bronzer and blush with. Then my highlighter brush. Then my eyeshadow brushes, which I have three of. Yes, so these are the brushes I take with me and I will put them in this little bag. But first I will clean them, so I will leave these brushes here. I won't use them. So I just left my brushes for now here because I'm going to clean them. Then the last bag I take with me on the plane, and I always put my Chanel blush with a little mirror inside because I think the mirror is really handy. I'm taking a mini perfume, which is the Daisy Dream from Marc Jacobs. I think this is really nice for in the plane because I hate the plane smell. So then I just can spray some perfume on. Then I'm taking a lip balm, and this is from Maybelline. And this is the Baby Lips Maybelline Lip Balm. So this is going in here. And maybe I will also put a small cream inside. So this was the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!